When grain has been dried to the desired moisture content and is ready to be stored, it is important to choose a reliable storage method. This video shows you how to store your grain in a hermetically sealed system to ensure optimum grain protection. First, we will discuss what hermetically sealed storage is and why it is important. Then we will look at how to use sealed storage and what it takes to manage the system. Finally, we will look into the cost of setting up a hermetically sealed storage system. What is hermetically sealed storage? Hermetically sealed storage means putting grain into sealed containers that stop the movement of air and moisture between the outside atmosphere and the stored grain inside the container. For this system of storage, you can use specially designed plastic containers such as the volcanic cube and grain cocoon. You can also use smaller containers made of plastic or steel, and you could even use clay water pots. The size of the system ranges from 25 liters up to 300 metric tons, and you can use paddy, milled rice, and other cereal crops such as corn. Why is it important to use sealed storage? Hermetic storage improves grain quality and seed viability because it maintains the original grain moisture content and reduces pest damage without the use of insecticides. Seed viability can be increased from 6 to 12 months in tropical environments where the air is very humid. With this low oxygen level, insect activity is minimized and reproduction ceases. Even rodents and birds do not appear to be attracted to the grain in these types of storage containers, possibly because they are unable to smell it. To use sealed storage, first, clean the grain and dry to the desired moisture content. For example, if you want to store the grain for 8 to 12 months, then the grain should be dried to 13%. Next, place the grain in a clean, airtight container that can be completely sealed. Then use grease or an airtight sealant such as silicone when closing the containers. If you decide to use clay pots, paint both the inside and outside with acrylic paint to help seal the container. Follow these steps carefully for every container. If there is a container that is not sealed properly, oxygen leakage will occur and insect activity will increase. Finally, place the containers in the shade or under cover and limit any opening and closing of the containers. Now let's discuss managing a hermetic storage system. If the system is not shaded or stored under cover, moisture movement can occur from the lower to upper levels in the larger systems. Opening and closing of the commercial storage systems replenishes oxygen levels inside the stored grain, which may lead to the rapid reinfestation of insects like the grain borer or grain weevil. These insects are capable of piercing the commercial plastic liner. Smaller containers that are not completely filled with grain or fillers usually contain too much oxygen, which makes it difficult to control insects. Rodents can damage large commercial receptacles, so plastic liners should be pulled tight and a clear space of half a meter kept around the containers. If you are using recycled containers, thoroughly clean them before use. How much will it cost to set up a hermetic system? The cost of a hermetic storage system depends on the size of the commercial storage and the cost of locally recycled containers and water vessels. The large commercial systems cost from $50 to $100 per ton capacity. They have an expected life of at least 10 years. This equates to a cost of approximately $5 to $10 per metric ton a year. The cost of locally constructed systems depends on the local price of recycled containers or clay pots. A 200-liter oil drum costs about $2 to $5. So those are the basics of a hermetic storage system. Now are you ready to select your containers and follow the steps to hermetically seal and protect your grain? Remember, better storage equals better grain.